You won't believe what you can still get your hands on. In today's mind-blowing video, we'll unveil some intriguing gadgets that, despite being banned, are still available for purchase on Amazon. So, are you ready for a thrilling trip down the rabbit hole of forbidden tech? Because, well, these banned gadgets are the newest must-have items for everyone who's seeking a little bit more adventure or even technology. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 14. Multi-Pack. Have you ever lost your keys and needed to unlock the door quickly, but the lock is jammed and won't work? Well, when you have patience, practice, and a tool such as this one, it's possible to tackle these problems with relative ease. This is the most advanced electronic lockpick. The device battery has a capacity of 2900 mAh, enabling it to be utilized uninterruptedly for 2 hours. The lockpick is compact enough to fit in your pocket and weighs a mere 12.3 ounces. Although the manufacturer claims that this is a professional instrument whose full potential can only be unlocked through practice, the fact that it comes with an additional set of needles makes it much simpler to get in some experience under your belt, and it's retailing at $270. Number 13. Steig Dotter Watch. Amazon is a place to look for the most fashionable banned gadget, the hack-proof smartwatch. Do not be deceived by the appearance of this peculiar lock, which is reminiscent of the explosive and detonators seen in Hollywood blockbusters and appears to be a throwback to the past. In addition to all the other features and functions that are standard for wristwatches, this one features games that are built into the watch's software. However, the product's most notable characteristic is the ability to assess the safety of open Wi-Fi networks. And because you can control the watch from your personal computer, you won't even need to remove it from your wrist to do anything. You can even simulate an attack from a hacker and attach devices from a certain network. Get your hands on this crucial piece of equipment only for $50. Number 12. License Plate Hider. This imaginative device seems as though it was made for a movie, and because you can simply hide or replace your license plate with one of these, they are perfect for people who wish to keep a low profile. This makes them an appealing option for people who drive classic cars. The fact that they are not expensive, can be put in place easily and fast, and are not difficult to understand is the finest feature. This intriguing device may be purchased in certain locations for as little as $50 if you know where to look for. Number 11. ATM Skimmer. This gadget can give the impression of being a standard ATM, but it harbors a sneaky deception. Con artists have modified it by inserting a device known as a skimmer onto it. And because of the skimmer, a criminal can access your card information and PIN number whenever you use an ATM. The installation of the skimmer takes only a few moments, and once it is in place, it's practically impossible to see that it is there. But it has one shortcoming. It can only read cards with a magnetic strip. This is the kind of gadget that you should keep an eye out for in crowded places like restaurants and shopping centers. Number 10. Wi-Fi LED light bulb video camera. If you want to use hidden cameras, you will find this light bulb the perfect accessory for you. When a conventional light bulb has a hidden camera inside, the camera is practically impossible to see, making this the ideal security solution for a home. The bulb has a viewing angle of 120 degrees and can record up to 1080p resolution, so you may capture whatever you require with it. And the motion sensor can detect movements up to 20 feet away, plus you will never again have to worry about running out of storage space because it is also compatible with memory cards that have a maximum capacity of 32 gigabytes, which makes it a very convenient device. Also, you can wirelessly transfer all your videos to your mobile device. You can now get your hands on this interesting accessory from Amazon for $50. Number 9. Car Key Grabber. Unpredictably, social networking has been linked to an increase in the number of thefts from vehicles. For example, TikTok users in the United States released instructions on how to steal Kia and Hyundai automobiles last year, which led to an increase in the number of break-ins and unsuccessful attempts to steal vehicles. The fact that code grabbers make it easy for thieves to steal and are so readily available online makes the situation much more precarious. This gadget can deactivate the alarm and can even start the engine stealthily because they intercept signals exchanged between the computer and the vehicle and the remote keys. Even high-end automobiles like the Porsche 911 GT3 do not guarantee complete safety. Because of this, it is extremely important to protect your vehicle from being stolen and be aware of the potentially dangerous technologies in the market. Number 8. GSM Jammer. It doesn't matter if you are at a concert or a lecture, since the jammer has got you covered. This device generates white noise that disrupts all information transfers, including GPS, GSM3, and Wi-Fi networks. You might even be able to construct it on your own if you are really adept. But there is no need to get worked up over if you're unsure how to use it yourself. On Amazon, production models can be purchased for as little as roughly $30, which makes them affordable for the general population. Number 7. USB Kill version 4.0. This compact flash drive is an absolute must for any pen tester, security professional, or someone who is interested in locating vulnerabilities in computer systems. Because it is compatible with 15 different adapters such as VGA, HDMI, and DisplayPort, this device enables you to control and test the security of your systems from a distance, giving you more peace of mind during the process. Moreover, its built-in battery has a runtime of up to 250 days before recharging. You can also tailor your assault settings by choosing between a signal and continual activation. You can operate anything using a remote control with a range of up to 100 meters, or you can use an app on your smartphone. This helpful tool has a price tag of nearly $100 and is utilized by government agencies and law enforcement in over 23 countries. Number 6. Y-Phone. This phone might look like it's from the past with its buttons, but it packs a lot of cutting-edge technology inside of its small and lightweight body. To begin, you can make phone calls even if you don't have a SIM card. Connecting to a Wi-Fi connection is all that is required to begin communicating over a SIP account. This phone also comes with a detachable motherboard that can be turned into a music studio or even a remote control car. It is essential for people who place a premium on hacking in private and maintaining their anonymity while doing so. This great device, which takes inspiration from the past, can be purchased for only $90. It is one that you won't want to pass up on. Number 5. RFID NFC Skimmer. Have you tried considering the lightning-fast pace at which credit card con artists can operate? Just imagine that 2 criminals in the United States were able to steal credit card information in a matter of seconds by employing this device. Because the device can gather data from as far as 1 meter, it is possible that even key cards that are used in factories and enterprises may be targeted. Number 4. Pocket Chip. Next in line is a little computer that has been called a Raspberry Pi killer by a few online publications. Even in 2019, sales of Raspberry Pi hovering around 30 million devices, and it's unclear whether the Pocket Chip, which ranges in price from $50 to $60, can reach that level. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, a USB port, 512 MB of RAM, 4 GB of storage, a 1 GHz processor, and an AV output that may be used for a TV are all standard features included by the manufacturer. This device is completely portable, utilizes Linux, and comes equipped with a screen, keyboard, and batteries. And although the boards are included in the box, you can buy them separately for $9 each and personalize them according to your needs. Number 3. SWNN High Power Blue Pointer. This powerful laser pointer is not your average piece of equipment. It's not intended to be used as a toy, and if it is, it might potentially cause injury to the user. Instead, it should be used in activities such as hunting, hiking, and lighting stages. It has a range of between 5 and 6 miles, and the thickness of its beam may be adjusted to accommodate a variety of applications. And because the laser pointer might potentially serve as a warning signal, it is important to keep children away from the device and always wear protective eyewear. Even though there is a small chance of injury, cutting-edge technology enthusiasts should invest in a laser pointer. Be careful when using this band and gadget, since having great power also comes with great responsibility. Number 2. Magnetic GF07 Mini GPS Tracker. Enter the espionage and spy technology world with this sophisticated yet stylish GPS tracker. This gadget, which weighs just 7 ounces and is small enough to take anywhere, may assist you in keeping an eye on your children and your elderly loved ones, or simply assist you in protecting the things that are important to you. With a single charge, it has an operational range between 4 and 6 days. You will be able to always monitor the whereabouts of your family members and possessions with the investment of nothing more than the cost of a SIM card. You can even call them in an emergency for the cheap low price as merely $15, and you can track their location using Google Maps. Number 1. Meizu Spy Glasses. These spy glasses are the epitome of simplicity and value, with a price tag of around $40. They also come with a memory card with a capacity of 16 gigabytes, which is more than enough room for 10 hours of video. The cutting-edge recording technology that is incorporated into the glass records a video at a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels and at a frame rate of 30 frames per second. It then stores the film in various codecs and divides it into 10-minute segments. The glasses have a battery life of 50 minutes and weighs a mere 1.2 ounces, making them extremely lightweight. They're also compatible with Windows and Linux. You can even use them as a dash cam or a baby monitor. This makes them an adaptable choice for all the covert filmmaking requirements. And that is a wrap. But anyway, what do you think about these gadgets? And which one will you be looking forward to buying? Comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell.